If you are married, please put your spouse's name there, first and last name. If they have a nickname, please use the nickname, not the formal name. Kate, on your birth certificate, does it say Kate or does it say Catherine? Or say Katerina? Did I get it right?
Yes.
Close enough. Yeah. So you wouldn't write Katerina there, you'd write Kate because that's what your friends call you. So we'd want to know that. So if you have a spouse in the house, you would want to have their first and last name with their nickname, like Kate, and then their age also. Especially when we want to have that information anyway, but when there's a difference in ages, that can come into play with things like Social Security benefits. So we want to make sure that we give you the best Social Security advice because we're holistic, we give advice in all these areas. Cell phone, for most of you already have that. The email you use. Let's have a contest. Who has the most email addresses here tonight? Is it Tom? Tom? How many email addresses do you have, Tom?
Using every day, about 25. Total is about 80.
So you own 80 email addresses. This is an all-time score on, right? We have a client that has 10. Did you say Tom has 80 emails? Okay. So Tom, do you have an email that you send all the junk to?
I've had that email since I was 14 years old at America Online. Tom G at AOL.
Jeez, oh, Pete. We have to put you in the paper.
Uh-huh.
So what you don't write here is tomg@aol.com. We don't want that one. The email that you don't give to everybody that you'll actually pay attention to, because we're going to give you weekly estate planning, tax planning tips, Medicare, Social Security, all these sorts of things. So that's an example of what it says the email you use, not the tomg@aol.com. That's pretty impressive, though. And then if you're going to come see us, what's going to happen tomorrow morning, Julie's going to FedEx. If you're going to come see us, Julie will FedEx you some information. So we need a street address, no P.O. boxes, please. We need a FedExable address there, and Julie will send you some more information tomorrow. What you might do as we go along, you don't want to do it quite yet. You want to rate yourself here in these 5 areas. These are the 5 critical areas for retirement planning. There's investment management, tax planning for retirement, medical planning, legacy planning, income planning for retirement. So what you do there as you go, and you might want to wait till you learn a little bit more before you score yourself in those areas. It's kind of your own opinion of how you feel once we teach you a little bit more tonight. The ones would be, oh, I'm scared to death in these areas, and most of you probably aren't a 1. Most folks are somewhere north of that or to the right of that. If you're a 10, or if you think you're a 10, you might want to just hold your horses and see if you're as well established as you think. We talked a little bit about like if you have out-of-state real estate, if you don't have a trust, that'd be one area where maybe we need to button up some issue there.